Welcome to FX Titan. If you have ever traveled to another country or seen currency exchange rates, you are already being a part of the Forex world even without knowing it. But what exactly is Forex? How do people trade it? That's what we're covering today. In this video, we're going to explore what exactly Forex means. What is Forex? We're also going to look at the various types that are being traded in the Forex market. Next, we are going to consider who are brokers. What are brokers? Are they companies? Are they human beings? Are they robots? Next, we are going to look into the various trading sessions that are available to Forex traders based on geographical location and time zone. And finally, we're going to look at the various types of Forex traders. So let's get started. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the process of exchanging one currency for another. When you go on a vacation and exchange your local currency for the currency of the country you are visiting. But in Forex trading, people aren't exchanging money for travel. They are simply trading currencies online to make a profit. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, where trillions of dollars are traded every single day. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, so you can trade whenever it suits you. In Forex, you trade currency pairs. A currency pair is two currencies like Euro/USD. Here, the first currency, Euro, is called the base currency, and the second, USD, is the quote currency. The price of the pair tells you how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. For example, if Euro/USD is 1.10, it means 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollar. Now, there are 3 categories of currency pairs. The first category are what we call the major pairs. These are popular pairs with the US dollar. Examples are Euro/USD or GBP/USD. Next category are the minor pairs. These are pairs that don't include the US dollar. Examples are Euro and GBP. And finally, we have a category called the exotic pairs. They are pairs that include major currencies and currencies of smaller economy. An example can USD/TRY or the US dollar and the Turkish lira. can't trade forex directly in the market. You need a broker. So what is a broker, or who is a broker? A broker is a company that provides you with a platform to trade currencies. Think of them as a middleman between you and the forex market. Brokers earn money through what we call spreads, which is the small difference between the buying and selling price of a currency pair, which we'll talk about later. When choosing a broker, it's important to pick one that is regulated, reliable, and suits your needs as a beginner. Forex market is open 24 hours a day, but divided into 4 main sections. Well, let me say 5 for now. So we have the first session called the Sydney session. It opens first. It's great for beginners because it's usually less volatile at around 10 p.m. 7 a.m. GMT. The next session is called Tokyo session. This is the session when the Asian market is active, Japan and some other Asian countries around 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT. The next session is called the London session. This is the busiest and most active session, where it includes the United Kingdom and countries around it. A lot of price movement that occurs during the London session. The session is between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. GMT. Next session, which is not very popular, is called the Frankfurt session. This session is in Germany and other countries in Europe. The session time is between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. GMT. And the last but not the least session I'll talk about is the New York session. It's when the US market opens. It overlaps with the London session for a few hours, so it creates high activity, which is between 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. GMT. In Forex, traders have different styles based on how often they trade and how long they hold their trade. So we have the first type of trader called the scalpers. These are traders that open and trade within minutes or some even seconds. They aim to make small profits from quick price changes. Those are the ones that are referred to as scalpers. The next are the day traders. These are traders that open and close a trade within the same day. They avoid overnight positions. Next, we have what we call the swing traders. Swing traders, they hold their trade for several days, weeks. They aim for profits from bigger price. The next types of traders are called the position traders. These traders take a long approach, holding trades for weeks, months, or even years. Now, as a beginner, it's important to understand these styles and find the one that fits your personality and your schedule. So now you know the basics. For a recap, we spoke about what Forex is, what is traded in Forex, the roles of brokers, various trading sessions that we have in the Forex market, and the various types of traders. In this video, we have dived into the essential Forex terms that you need to know before placing your first trade. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FX Titan, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video. And don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. Also, if you don't understand any part of the video, you can go back and rewatch it again. We'd love to help you out.